हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। सो अब हम बात कर रहे हैं ट्रांसपिरेशन एंड उसके बेनिफिट्स। ओके, व्हिच इज क्रिएटिंग ट्रांसपिरेशन पुल। बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रांसपिरेशन देयर इज ट्रांसपिरेशन पुल एंड ट्रांसपिरेशन पुल इन एडिटिव इफेक्ट। ट्रांसपिरेशन पुल के साथ साथ कोहेजन एंड एडहेजन प्रेशर फोर्सेस, all these three are ultimately helping in ascent of sap. So prior to discussing ascent of sap and relation between these two terms, what are the terms? Transpiration pull, cohesion and adhesion. उसके पहले transpiration देख लेते हैं। Okay, हमने mechanism पहले देखा था that if this is a leaf, in the mesophyll part, the turgid mesophyll cell ooze out the water. They give out little water. That water evaporate and vapor accumulate in the intercellular gaps. Mesophyll intercellular gaps are having full of vapor, and the vapor then diffuse from the intercellular gaps to the atmosphere through stomatal pore. And we discussed three types of transpiration: lenticular transpiration, stomatal transpiration and cuticular transpiration. Right? Okay. So these transpirations are occurring, creating transpiration pull. But prior to that, as I said, we are discussing transpiration. Transpiration is affected by, transpiration is regulated by, see, we are on page number 187 NCERT, last paragraph. Usually the lower surface of dorsiventral, often dicotyledonous leaf has greater number of stomata, while the isobilateral, often monocotyledonous leaf, they are about equal both surface. Okay, so हमने anatomy में, in anatomy we have discussed dorsiventral leaf and isobilateral leaf. We discussed three words: stomata present on both surface if this is a leaf. Okay, then on only upper surface stomata are present. It is epistomatic leaf. If they are present only on lower surface, as they are found in dicot, it is hypostomatic. And if it is present on both, okay, तो इसको हमने बोला amphistomatic. This is hypostomatic, right? और एक शब्द जो मैंने बोला, only on upper surface, upper epidermis has stomata, then it is called epistomatic. Okay, अब देखो, actually these words are in relation to anatomy, but they are explained in transportation. So these words we have even discussed in anatomy part. Okay, now simple. If stomata are on both surface, rate of transpiration will be more. If stomata on upper or lower surface, then the rate of transpiration will reduce. But upper surface पे rate of transpiration सबसे ज़्यादा रहेगा, so it will be max transpiration, right? Then hypostomatic में सबसे least transpiration. Okay, अगर हम दोनों को compare करते हैं, epistomatic और hypostomatic को, तो यहाँ पे least और यहाँ पे more लिख रही हूँ मैं, दोनों को कंपेयर करते हैं. लेकिन अगर ये कंडीशन है एम्फी, देन हियर यू विल गेट मैक्स रेट ऑफ ट्रांसपिरेशन. ओके, सो रेट ऑफ ट्रांसपिरेशन इज वाटर लॉस अकरिंग थ्रू द लीफ, that is stomata. Stomatal transpiration, which is maximum, is dependent on number of stomata, on which surface the stomata are more, and it is also dependent on the phyllotaxy, surface area of the leaf. More the surface area, more will be the evaporation. So transpiration is regulated by many factors like climatic conditions, temperature, then humidity, water availability in the soil, position of stomata, number of open stomata, etc. Okay, so that we need to discuss in detail. See, they have mentioned here, NCERT wale, as we said, they just had line and they frame many MCQs on this area. So see, Transpiration is affected by several external factors, that is temperature, light, humidity, wind speed. Plant factors that affect transpiration include number and distribution stomata, number of stomata open, percentage, water status of the plant, then canopy structure, etc. What is canopy? If the plant is growing under shady areas, okay, ऊपर आपको एक huge tree मिल रहा है, उसके नीचे plant grow हो रहा है, और some shaded area है, वहाँ पे plant grow हो रहा है. So in that canopy area, obviously the temperature will be less, humid conditions are there, and rate of transpiration will be obviously less in canopy. Okay, so transpiration is dependent on many external as well as internal factors. Will enlist them, will compare transpiration with guttation, and we are supposed to discuss the transpiration in reference to benefits of plant. Okay, so हमको दोनों चीजें देखने हैं, ट्रांसपिरेशन से बेनिफिट क्या होते हैं और ट्रांसपिरेशन से लॉसेस क्या होते हैं. Okay, and what are ultimate conditions favorable for the plant. So prior to that, we need to understand transpiration pull, which is created because of transpiration. So we'll complete that and again come back to transpiration and guttation. Understood? Now come to the next part, as I have mentioned on board, is that because of transpiration there is suction created by aerial plant part, aerial body, particularly leaf. Leaf cell creates suction. तो अब ये डायग्राम भी मैंने आपको बहुत बार ड्रॉ करके बताया है. डे 1 से हम इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, तो वी डिस्कस दिस इज एरियल प्लांट पार्ट, दिस इज इट्स ब्रांच, दिस इज बेस ऑफ द स्टेम, एंड दिस इज रूट पार्ट. डोंट फोकस ऑन द प्रपोर्शन. I just want to highlight the mechanism. So I am drawing those parts bigger where the suction or transpiration pull is created. Okay, चलो ये डायग्राम आपको पता है, ये लीफ है, लीफ एपिस्टोमेटिक, हाइपोस्टोमेटिक, जो भी कंडीशन होगा, right? Because of open stomata, now what we said, water vapor is moving out. Water vapor is moving out. Okay, so vapor. Because of water loss, okay, transpiration is water loss. What will happen? ये जो लीफ है, लीफ का सेल है, it's mesophyll. Okay, this mesophyll is losing water, as I just now explained. It's turgid, it is having abundant water, so water oozes out, forms thin film of water, and here water vapor forms and vapor is given out. So because this water cell is losing water, it is sucking water from the stem. So suction pressure किसका ज्यादा है? Okay, I'll write down here, mesophyll cell, more suction pressure. Mesophyll cell, more suction pressure, that is DPD. Okay, so the cell will suck water, water sucked from the stem, stem से water molecule suck किए जाएंगे, बराबर. अब stem अगर suck कर रहा है तो obviously ये जो xylem vessels continuously है, they will suck water from root and root will suck water from the soil. Okay, now see, because of this suction pressure water is uplifted. But यहाँ पे हमने और एक बात बोली थी, that if transpiration pull increases, okay, transpiration pull increases and water available in the soil is less, in that situation there are chances that there will be water bubble trapped. Okay, so air bubble trapped, sorry, वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल जो अपवर्ड ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं कंटिन्यूअसली, ओके, ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है, रेड पेन से मैंने ड्रॉ किया. Water molecules are continuously moving upward because of suction pull. But if soil is having less water, then in this water column there will be air bubble trapped. Okay, अगर ये air bubble trap हो गए तो क्या होगा? ये जो दो water molecule के बीच में cohesive forces है वो टूट जाएंगे. Okay, we have discussed capillarity, याद करो. Okay, two water molecules are attracted because of cohesive forces, right? And the two water molecules which are attracted by cohesive forces, ये water molecule और ये water molecule, देखो ये जो दो मैंने water molecule draw किए हैं, okay, इसमें का gap, अब का क्या हो गया? इसमें का gap air ने ले लिया, तो इसमें के cohesive forces चले गए. So this water molecule may fall down. Is it happening? No. Because of root pressure, अब देखो अलग अलग फैक्टर कैसे काम करते हैं. Because of root pressure, water column is maintained, and one more thing, this water molecule is attracted. This water molecule is attracted towards the wall of the capillary. That is adhesive forces. देखो मैंने अलग अलग forces की बात की. सबसे पहले सक्शन प्रेशर डीपीडी की वजह से सेल स्टेम से पानी खींच रहा है. Mesophyll cells are sucking water from the stem. If this suction is more and the water content in the soil is less, then in this continuous water column there will be air bubble trapped. If this air bubble is trapped, then upper water molecule and lower water molecule, the cohesive forces they have will be lost. Okay, so if that cohesive force will lost, the water column will drop down. Is it happening? No. Why? Because root pressure hold the water level maintained, or it try to push it up. One more thing, because of adhesive forces, water molecule is attracted towards the xylem lignified wall. It will maintain the water column, and gradually this push will remove the air bubble and continuous water column is maintained. So this mechanism of water transportation, in which suction pressure, transpiration pull, okay, adhesive cohesive forces and little support of root pressure, is widely accepted theory. Okay, here I want to add one more point, is that when we talk about vessels, see, this is a vessel, this is one vessel, this is other vessel connected to each other. If there is continuous suction pressure, अगर ऊपर से पानी continuously खींचा जा रहा है, suction pressure अगर ज्यादा है, okay, just remember this mechanism where you come across, you are drinking cold drink with the help of a straw, and sometimes you suck rapidly and the thin plastic straw collapses. If it happens that suction pressure increases and the vessel collapses, what will happen to the plant? Remember, plant vessel is having the lignified thickenings. याद करो anatomy. Spiral, annular. Because of this thickening, spiral and annular thickenings, the straw is having tough walls. Because of those toughened walls, corrugated pipes. What is corrugated pipe? You just try to recollect the drain pipe of your washing machine. It's thickened. It will never collapse. Okay, so like this, these vessels of the plant are corrugated with lignified walls. So though the suction pressure through it is more, it will not collapse. So simple example और एक दे दूं. आप simple cold drink अगर प्लास्टिक से straw से suck करके पी रहे हो, तो हाँ, अगर suction बढ़ गया तो वो collapse होगा. लेकिन अगर आप thick shake पी रहे हो और वो toughened straw आपको दी गई है, तो वो collapse नहीं होती. Right? So this is how anatomical peculiarities of the plant are supporting plant. Anatomical peculiarities are supporting plant for creating and maintaining suction pressure. Right? So come to the reading part of the NCERT. See, we are on page number 188. The transpiration driven ascent of xylem sap depends mainly on following physical properties of the water. NCERT निकाल दो, page number 188. We are discussing ascent of sap by transpiration, pull, cohesion, adhesion theory. Come to page number 188. Yeah, we are on page number 188. As I said, first point we'll discuss cohesion. Mutual attraction of water molecule to polar surfaces. Cohesion. Mutual attraction between two water molecules. These two water molecules are attracted, and that force is cohesive force. Why it is so? Because water is a polar molecule. What do you mean by polar molecule? Water molecule is having this structure. याद करो आपने H2O इस प्रकार से सीखा होगा. Right? Now, because oxygen has more electron affinity, it develops negative charge. So ऐसे जो भी water molecules है, इसके नेगेटिव चार्ज और पॉजिटिव चार्ज के बीच में जो फोर्स रहेगा, that will be cohesive forces. Understood? So cohesion is the attraction between two water molecules. Mutual attraction between water molecules. 2. Adhesion. Attraction of water molecule to polar surfaces such as surface of structured and element. As we said, the water molecule is attracted to a lignified wall. Okay, that attraction is adhesion. Surface tension. Attraction of water molecule to polar surfaces such as tertiary element. Surface tension. Water molecules are attracted to each other in the liquid phase more than to water in gas phase. The properties give water high tensile strength, that is the ability to resist a pulling force, and high capillarity. Water molecule has great cohesive forces, so it is having tensile strength. मतलब जोर ऊपर से कितना भी जोर से खींचा गया तो वो एक दूसरे को छोड़ेगा नहीं. That tensile strength, ये शब्द आपने मेटल से रिलेटेड यूज किया होगा. So that tensile strength is more. So water molecule pulls another water molecule when it is moving upward. Tensile strength. That is ability to resist a pulling force and high capillarity. That is the ability to rise in thin tubes. Capillarity मतलब ये vessel का जो कैपिलरी है, इसमें धीरे धीरे पानी अपवर्ड मूव करता रहेगा. कैपिलैरिटी we discussed. Then in plant, capillarity is aided by a small diameter of tertiary elements, the tracheids and vessel element. Who is working as a capillary in the plant? It is vessels and tracheids. The process of photosynthesis requires water. The system of xylem vessel from the root to the leaf vein can supply the needed water. Root supplies needed water. But what force does a plant use to move water molecule into the leaf parenchyma? Cells where they are needed. As water evaporates through the stomata, since the thin film of water over the cell is continuous, it results in pulling of water molecule by molecule into the leaf from the xylem. Here the water evaporates, so water sucks, right? And this continuous column of water is helping water to move. That is what is ascent of sap. Also, because of lower concentration of water vapor in the atmosphere as compared to substomatal cavity, the intracellular space, water diffuse into the surrounding air. This creates pull. Why water diffuse from the intracellular gap to the atmosphere? Because atmosphere has less water vapor. Atmosphere has less water vapor. समझ रहे हो? So this is how water is given out. This is water loss, and then the water, because of water loss, suction pressure created. Suction pressure sucks the water. Okay, and suction pressure is supported by adhesive cohesive forces, capillarity mechanism, and in addition, little support is by root pressure. Okay, see now. Measurements reveal that the forces generated by transpiration can create a pressure sufficient to lift a xylem-sized column of water over 130 meter high. This mechanism can raise the water up to 130 meters. Okay, so this is ascent of sap, which is explained by transpiration pull, adhesion cohesion, tension theory. Okay, इसके कुछ objections है that we'll discuss. come to revision of the theories and objections. Right? अब ये hidden part है, इसके MCQ जरूर पूछेंगे, but घुमा फिरा के इधर उधर से, because it is like read between the lines. So what we are discussing? We are discussing different theories, उसके postulates and objections. As I said, it is a hidden part. Okay, so what we discussed till now, I repeat this diagram. The available water, capillary water, first imbibed through the root cell, then it crosses the membrane, endoosmosis, then it moves from plasmodesmata by the process of diffusion, and water enter into the xylem, or water imbibed, and imbibition continues through cell wall. Imbibition continues through cell wall, and the water is moving through cell wall and not crossing the membrane. Cell के cell wall में से water molecule की movement होगी. It is not crossing any membrane. So by apoplast, ये देखो ये cell wall से पानी जा रहा है. Okay, by apoplast water enter into the xylem. Okay, so apoplast implant after endodermis, it may follow transmembrane or vacuolar pathway, and then in the root it generates root pressure. So here this water is generating root pressure, which is a pushing pressure, one of the cause. So we discussed root pressure theory. Then root pressure theory is not sufficient, so we discussed transpiration pull, that is tension, adhesion, cohesion theory. Okay, see, here water entered in, and the cause of water absorption is not in the root. Cause of ascent of sap is not in the root, but it lies in aerial plant part, and the cause is transpiration. Okay, so leaf cell which are getting water are turgid. The water from the leaf is accumulated on the surface, there it evaporates, and water vapor in the intercellular gas comes out from its higher concentration to its lower concentration, because generally the atmosphere weather is dry. Okay, so this diffusion is following concentration gradient. Vapor is moving from mesophil to the atmosphere. Now listen, if the atmosphere is humid, then the concentration gradient will be less. Leaf के अंदर भी more moisture, atmosphere में भी more moisture. वो condition में transpiration का rate कम होगा. अगर dry weather है तो transpiration का rate ज़्यादा होगा. We'll discuss factors affecting transpiration and we'll compare it with guttation in next part. Okay, so see, water vapor diffuses out because the mesophyll cell loses water. Its thirst, its suction pressure increases, so it sucks in water from the stem. Leaf sucks water from the stem. If the suction is rapid, transpiration ज़्यादा है, suction ज़्यादा है, soil में पानी कम है, so there are chances that in the capillary the air bubble may get trapped, and this air bubble will break the water column. Okay, cohesive forces will not work. दो water molecule के बीच में अगर एयर बबल आ गया तो कोहेसिव फोर्स नहीं वर्क करेगा. वो कंडीशन में एडहेसिव फोर्सेस, दैट इज वाटर मॉलिक्यूल लविंग द xylem vessels. Okay, so that adhesion will maintain the water column. Root pressure will patch up by pushing. The air bubble will be removed, and again water is continuously moving. So ultimately, ascent of sap is because of all these phenomena. Let us write down few points like postulates of the theory and objections of the theory. Okay, so write down root pressure theory, postulates. Root pressure theory, postulate. Okay, चलो point number 1, root pressure theory का postulate number 1. Can you see the diagram? Root pressure theory postulate number 1. Because of apoplast and symplast, water enter in the root, and Casparian strip increase the hydrostatic pressure. Casparian strip increase. लिख रहे हो आप, मैं पॉइंट डिक्टेट कर रही हूं. रूट प्रेशर थ्योरी postulate. Point number 1, what I said, because of apoplast symplast, water develops pressure in root, that is root pressure. Casparian strip increases it. Casparian strip increases it. Casparian strip की वजह से रूट प्रेशर बढ़ेगा. Second point, root pressure is positive hydrostatic pressure. Root pressure is positive hydrostatic pressure in roots. Point number 3, it helps to push up the water to small heights. It helps to push up water to small heights. Okay, these are the postulates. इसकी वजह से पानी अपवर्ड मूव होता है. यहाँ पे हमने 2 एक्सपेरिमेंट सीखे थे. कलर्ड वाटर में व्हाइट फ्लावर रखे तो पेटल्स बिकम कलरफुल, एंड वी डिस्कस that is guttation and exudation. If you cut the stain, then the liquid droplet come out. Okay, so these are the supports. Okay, so write down next point. Support. Because of root pressure, plants show guttation. Supports लिख रहे हैं हम. Supports. Because of root pressure, plants show guttation. And via cut stem, exudation, bleeding. Via cut stem, exudation and bleeding. Okay, these are the proofs that root pressure exists. Support मतलब root pressure theory के लिए support. Okay, write down next point. Objection. Point number 1. It generates moderate or little. It generates moderate or little root pressure. So doesn't play significant role in ascent of sap. उसकी वैल्यू बड़ी ही मॉडरेट है. हमने कैसे मेजर करना ये भी देखा था. कट द स्टेम, अप्लाई, पुट अ रबर स्लिप and calculate the amount of water added or collected in the tube. Okay, objection 2. It is absent in woody tall plants. Root pressure is absent in woody tall plants. What it means? Actually, tall plant में तो root pressure ज्यादा चाहिए था, लेकिन वैसे नहीं होता. It is absent in tall woody plants, like gymnosperm. इसके समझने वाली बात क्या है? Tall plant should have more root pressure, but it is not observed. Third point. During night, root pressure is high. During night, root pressure is high, but ascent of sap is less. Ascent of sap is less. Okay, so these are the points related to root pressure theory. Okay, write down next one. Transpiration pull and cohesion force theory. transpiration pull and cohesion force theory. Okay, see यहाँ पे tension word जो है, let me explain. See, when water is entering in, okay, either root pressure push it up. If root pressure is less, then because of suction pressure, it has been pulled. It has been sucked. Okay, if water is less in the soil and suction pressure is more, the xylem wall is facing the suction. ऊपर से suction ज्यादा है, नीचे पानी कम है, तो xylem wall अंदर खींची जाएगी. That is called tension. So excess transpiration pull create tension. So transpiration pull को tension ये शब्द भी बोला जाता है. So transpiration pull is tension. Okay, tension is because of suction. It is negative pressure. ये ध्यान में रखो. Root pressure is positive. Transpiration pull is negative. Because of suction, the xylem is pulled inward. It's sucked inward. Suction pressure. ठीक है, चलो. What you wrote? Transpiration pull and cohesion force theory. नाम लिख लो. एक हाथ बार अगर आता है तो, because it is widely accepted theory, suggested by Dixon and Joly. Dixon, suggested by Dixon, Dixon and Joly, Jollly. आसान है ध्यान में रखने के लिए. It's widely accepted theory. Okay, postulate number 1. It creates high dpp. Transpiration pull creates high dpp, suction pressure. It creates high dpp, suction pressure in leaves. In the bracket write down aerial plant water. 2. Postulate 2. Thick lignified walls of tracheids and vessels. Thick lignified walls of tracheids and vessels sustain this tension because the walls of the tracheids are having annular thickening or spiral thickening or reticulate thickening. It sustains the pressure. Because lignified thick walls, tracheids and vessels sustain this tension and doesn't collapse. Okay, collapse नहीं होंगे. ऊपर से कितना भी खींचा गया तो collapse नहीं होंगे and doesn't collapse. 4. It results in ascent of sap. Because of the suction, it results in ascent of sap, which is supported by cohesive forces between two water molecules. In the bracket write down tensile strength. दो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एक दूसरे को इसके पकड़ के चल रहे हैं. कितने भी खींचे जाए तो वो टूटते नहीं, एक दूसरे को पकड़ के चलते हैं. That is tensile strength. It is supported by cohesive forces between two water molecules. In the bracket write down tensile strength, bracket close, and adhesive forces between water and walls of the xylem or xylary element, and adhesive forces between water and xylary element. Okay, water और xylem के बीच में भी attraction रहेगा. Okay, then supports. More the transpiration, more the ascent of sap. More the transpiration, more the ascent of sap. In tall plant, it is observed. Yes, supports it. No objection. First, ascent of sap occurs when transpiration is very low. ह्यूमिड कंडीशन है, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे बोला ह्यूमिड कंडीशन, मॉइस्चर बहुत है एयर में तो ट्रांसपिरेशन कम होगा, वो कंडीशन में भी असेंट ऑफ सैप होता है। एक्सुडेशन, गटेशन से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल बाहर डाले जाएंगे, एक्सेस वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इज गिवन आउट, बट वाटर कंटिन्यूअसली एब्सॉर्ब बाय द प्लांट। मॉइस्ट वेदर है, ट्रांसपिरेशन कम हो रहा है, फिर भी वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रूट से स्टेम और लीफ में घुसते रहेंगे। इट्स नॉट कि ट्रांसपिरेशन नहीं है तो सक्शन प्रेशर कम होगा, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल जाते रहेंगे, क्यों? रूट प्रेशर एग्जिस्ट करता है। ओके, सो इट आर यू वेरिंग दैट दिस सिचुएशंस आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री। ओके, सो व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्शन? इन ह्यूमिड कंडीशन, व्हेन ट्रांसपिरेशन इज लेस, ascent of sap occurs. In humid conditions, when transpiration is less, ascent of sap occurs. Objection 2. When transpiration is high and water is less in soil. Point number 2. When transpiration is high and water in soil is less. Air bubble may get trapped. Air bubble may get trapped to break the water column. Air bubble may get trapped and break the water column in xylem vessels. And break the water column in xylem vessels. Xylem vessels. Working as capillaries. Xylem vessel किस तरह से काम कर रहे हैं? कैपिलरी की तरह। Working as capillaries. When transpiration is high, water is less in the soil, air bubble may get trapped in the xylem vessels, working as capillaries, breaking the water column. लिख लिया? ओके, तो ये कंडीशन में ट्रांसपिरेशन पुल काम नहीं करेगा क्योंकि दो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल के बीच में गैप ही नहीं रहता है। ओके, सो इट इज ऑब्जेक्शन। ये कंडीशन में ट्रांसपिरेशन पुल काम नहीं कर सकता। पॉइंट नंबर 2, ट्रांसपिरेशन इज लो इन नाइट, still ascent of sap occurs. Transpiration is low in night, still ascent of sap occurs. Next point. Only transpiration pull is not sufficient to cause ascent of sap. Only transpiration, उसकी वजह से नहीं होगा, only transpiration से नहीं होगा. Only transpiration is not sufficient to explain ascent of sap. ओके, चलो ये हो गए ऑब्जेक्शन। लाइन ड्रॉ कर दो, उसके नीचे लिखो along with transpiration pull, capillarity which is result of surface tension and tensile strength, which is result of surface tension. वाटर मॉलिक्यूल का सरफेस टेंशन समझाया था ना मैंने। वाटर मॉलिक्यूल आर अट्रैक्टेड टू वाटर मॉलिक्यूल टाइटली, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर रेज्ड। ओके, याद करो इसके पहले मैंने कैपिलैरिटी सिखाई थी, मैंने ऐसे डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया। ये ऐसे बीकर है, इसमें पानी है, और इसमें ब्रॉड ल्यूमन का कैपिलरी रखा और नैरो ल्यूमन का कैपिलरी रखा। तो नैरो ल्यूमन के कैपिलरी में वाटर मॉलिक्यूल कंटिन्यूअसली राइज होते रहते, कंटिन्यूअसली। व्हाई? बिकॉज these water molecules on the surface are attracted to each other because they have strong affinity, cohesive forces, right? And water molecule, because of adhesive forces, continues to rise. Okay? So, what you wrote? Because of cohesive forces, high tensile strength, capillarity is because of cohesive forces, high tensile strength, surface tension, water continue to rise through xylem vessel. अब इसको भी मैंने आपको ऑब्जेक्शन बोला था कि कैपिलरी हैज टू बी सबमर्ज इन द वाटर डायरेक्टली। रूट में वैसा नहीं है, कैपिलरी वाटर यहाँ पे, ये यहाँ पे जमीन में पानी और जाइलम वेसल यहाँ पे है। तो ऐसे मैकेनिज्म में कैपिलरिटी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती, इट हैज टू बी डिप्ड इन। ये एक ऑब्जेक्शन मैंने बोला था। और एक के ऊपर दूसरी कैपिलरी ऐसे अगर टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में रख दे, एक के ऊपर दूसरी कैपिलरी अगर ऐसे टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में रखे तो कैपिलरिटी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती। देयर हैज टू बी वन सिंगल कैपिलरी। ऐसा थोड़ी ना है प्लांट में एक जाइलम वेसल दूसरा तीसरा लाखों जाइलम वेसल एक दूसरे के ऊपर रखे हैं। Okay, so that is one more objection for capillarity. समझ रहे हो? Okay, so what you wrote? Because of capillarity is because of cohesive forces, adhesive forces, tensile strength, surface tension. Water column is maintained in xylem. Water column is maintained in xylem. Root pressure push it. Root pressure push it and suction pressure pulls it, and suction pressure pulls it. By all these mechanisms, ascent of sap can be better explained. Ascent of sap can be better explained. समझ रहे हो? Okay, if any problem, any doubt, ask me. Because it is hidden content, still it is in NCERT. Yeah, I purposefully dictated because I want you to write down. अगर मैं बोर्ड पे लिखती हूँ ना, स्क्रीनशॉट लेते हो. Okay, so tell me if you want me to revise any point. Okay, so here we completed all the theories which explain ascent of sap.